Hi, I'm Larry Lane. Welcome to the Urban Sketchpad video. And today I'm really excited to share with you an opportunity that you can participate in. We being Ian Fennelly, who is my mentor, and I had a privilege of going to New York City and sketching with him and getting to know him better. He's having a workshop, an online workshop coming up this Tuesday, and it's July 16th of 2024. Today is Saturday, so we've got a few days to kind of plan ahead. And if you're watching this video a few weeks, few months, few years afterwards, no problem. I've got something for you too. Now, this workshop is on his website, which is Urban Sketch Course. And there are some free workshops in that website, and there's also a paid version of that. And that's what I'm talking about right now, is because this workshop is in the paid part of it, and it's well worth the money because you get all those free lessons, you get discounts on other workshops, you also get discounts on various travel workshops, and you get access to a Facebook group page that you can actually meet other urban sketchers, share your work, and if you want to get critiques, you can get that too. It's a real friendly atmosphere and a great community to be a member of. So I really strongly recommend that. So this workshop, I want to share this with. We're going to be sketching one photograph, and it is a waterfall. I don't really see the waterfall, it's just water, but a waterfall that's in Arizona. I think that's kind of what it's called on the sketch advertisement. And here's a picture of that waterfall area. Just to get ready for this workshop, I went over this photograph over and over again. I'm seeing all kinds of groupings, top, right, left, right, and this is my sketch and my preliminary sketch of that photograph with the same groupings. I saw different focal points where it's actually kind of pointing to that center point of that water part over there, and there's different striations. So I wanted to maintain those levels there, and when I sketched this, I was working from top left down to the center and top right down to the center. Now Ian did a quick preliminary sketch too, and just monochromatic, and it's a lot more dramatic than what I did too. So let's look at that. Let's compare. Here's my sketch next to the photograph, and you can see that the bushes on the left, and you can see the water, and you can see how the back ridge kind of comes down to accent that center area. And I overlaid my photograph, the photograph with my sketch, and by golly, it's pretty doggone photorealistic. And that is good. That's kind of what I do as an architect, but it's not what Ian does as an artist. He's really dramatic. And here's his compared to the photograph. And I overlaid that too, just you saw with my picture. And check this out. There's a photograph, and then overlaying his, he has a lot more drama on there. He's got a lot more black and white contrast, and he's not photorealistic. He's concerned about making sure it's a dramatic depiction of the place. Now, be sure to come to this webinar. I really strongly suggest you join me on this. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if you miss it, no worries. Just get on that website. You'll see probably this workshop posted on there after this event or this date for a while, and you can probably work with that the recording of this on the website, so you're not missing out on really anything. Plus, in fact, joining in onto the Urban Sketch Course website is a no-brainer. Go do that. I'll leave the link down below for you to check it out. There's a money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, there's no risk involved. So I hope to see you this coming, Tuesday, to sketch with me and share your sketch with me. Go ahead and email those to urbansketchpad@gmail.com. I'd love to see it. Talk to you soon.